Hi, I'm Dr. Alan Martínez from Dr. Mexico Dental Group in Tijuana. When people hear the term oral surgery, they often think it only means removing wisdom teeth. In reality, oral surgery includes many different procedures designed to restore your oral health and prepare your mouth for long-term success. These procedures can include simple and surgical tooth extractions, impacted wisdom teeth, bone grafting, sinus lifts, crown lengthening, treatment of dental infections, and preparing the jaw for dental implants or dentures. Every patient is different, so we begin with a thorough examination and digital imaging to determine the most appropriate treatment plan. Our goal is always to relieve pain, preserve healthy tissue whenever possible, and achieve the best long-term result. If you think you may need oral surgery, we'd be happy to answer your questions and discuss your treatment options. We look forward to helping you smile with confidence.